Hello and welcome to a sunny St Bartholomew in the Caribbean. We'll have a quick walk around the GP42 PHAN. She was built in 2007 and upgraded quite extensively in 2018 in the current ownership. She has a deeper fin keel, she has a longer bowsprit, and if we turn around here you'll see that the hatch is now watertight. The rig has been relacquered also in 2022. She has a string drop system that has been added and works beautifully. All the carbon pieces in the boat in the cockpit were relacquered in 2022, as was the cockpit floor with the foam feel non-slip. The running rigging there, hanging off the back, that was all new in 2022 also. Runners, sheets and halyards. The electronics work well. There's FFDs on the side of the cockpit and also at the rig. These are absolutely fine for regatta racing. Now we'll just have a quick pop downstairs and have a look around. The yacht is fitted and equipped for offshore racing up to 600-mile races like the Caribbean 600, Fastnet, etc. She has the heads, the galley and storage and bunks. Some of these have been taken out for the inshore racing she's doing here. These can be put back in quite easily, and if your program was more inshore based then these can be taken out quite easily. You might just be able to see there the string drop system driven by the primary winches. For those who are unfamiliar with this, it's very much like a dinghy where the primary winches will drive the spinnaker back down through the fore hatch into the boat. So that concludes our walk around. The boat is in great shape cosmetically and systems wise. She had a full going through and now is on the market and ready for the next owner in the Caribbean.